Jeannie. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be about this cute little cup cozy. I'm using one of those standard plastic Starbucks cups that's reusable. Anyways, I figured, Easter is around the corner and we can do something cute like this and give to our friends and family or whoever. Anyways, yeah, if you guys are interested in watching this tutorial, please continue to watch. Thank you. So today I'm just using some scrap yarn that I have left over from a baby blanket project I had, so this will be plenty. Today I'm going to be using a 5mm hook as the H hook. I'm going to need a pair of scissors, one of these tapestry needles, and if you have any of these little, what do you call these little clips, that'd be great to have. And then also, if you want to make the little pom-pom for the tail, just use one of these. Okay, I forgot to mention that the leftover yarn I'm using today is from Jeanne's. It's the Big Twist Yarns value, and it's in the color blush pink. Okay, to begin, we're gonna make a slip knot into the hook. Okay, and we're going to start with a chain of 26. 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, there's 26. Okay, the next step is to go ahead and join this to the very first chain. Okay, slip stitch through the first chain, and there is our ring. Okay, to begin round 1, go ahead and yarn over. Okay, we're going to basically be doing a series of single crochets all across the round. Okay, so chain 1 and then do that same chain that's right here, the starting chain. Go ahead and do 1 single crochet in each chain all the way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 25, and last one, 26, and then slip stitch to the top of that first single crochet. Okay, there is round 1. Yeah, surprisingly, we won't be doing any increases. We're just going to continue on several rounds of these single crochets until you reach the desired height. In here I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I did 9 single crochet rounds, and then the last round, 10, I basically did a round of single crochets and then did a few of the shell stitches to form the ears. So that's what we'll do. To begin the next round, chain 1, and in the same loop, the same chain right here, go ahead and make your first single crochet and then continue around. You'll have 26 single crochets, and continue this until you reach the desired height of this cozy, and I'll come back and show you how to do the last round to make the ears for this cup cozy, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm on the 9th row and I'm about to do make my last single crochet. Okay, and then slip stitch into that first single crochet. Okay, so we're done. Okay, let's reach that height. Now I'm going to show you what I can do next, but before we do that, I'm gonna take my hook off. Then I'm just going to go ahead and kind of measure out where I would like the ears to be. So if I folded mine in half like this, right? Okay, we're just gonna count in 4 from the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so actually, you know what? I'm not gonna do that. Let's do from the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm gonna make those marks right here. Okay. These are very cute, aren't they? Oops. Just making sure that they're even from the top. So this is where the center of the shell stitch is going to be. See, this is where they would be right here. Alright, let's continue. So for this last round, we're going to we're going to chain 1, okay, and continue with our single crochets. So put your hook through that first chain and pull through. Make your single crochet stitches all the way around. Actually, not all the way around, until we get to the first clip here. Okay, so basically I'm just gonna keep an eye out. So this is where my shell is gonna be. I'm gonna skip this one, and this is gonna be where my last single crochet is. Okay, this is where my last single crochet is, and now we're gonna do 5 double crochets into, so we're gonna skip this one and we're gonna make 5 single crochets into where we have this clipped. Okay, so I'm going to unclip this. Okay, so we're skipping that one, and we're gonna do 5 double crochets into this next one. So yarn over, put your hook through that chain, okay, pull up, pull through all 3. So that's a double crochet. Yarn over, put your hook through the same chain, pull up. You got 3 loops on your hook. Go ahead and yarn over and pull through all 3. Do that 3 more times. Okay, there it is. So we're going to skip this next chain and make a single crochet into the next. Okay, single crochet into the next. Okay, so we're going to do 1 more crochet, single crochet, sorry. We have 1 chain left, and then where we have our next clip. So I'm going to remove that. Okay, and we're going to make 5 double half double crochets. I'm sorry, that I don't know if I mentioned it, is half double crochets, not double crochets, into these to make the shells. But we're going to make 5 half double crochets into the second chain. So we're skipping that one and making 5 half double crochets. So yarn over, put your hook through that chain, pull up, and go ahead and yarn over and pull through all 3. That's a half double crochet. Okay, that's 2 half double crochets, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and then we're going to skip this chain and make a single crochet into the next. And that is it. So continue making your single crochet until you reach the beginning part of this row. So continue. Okay, last single crochet. All right, and we are done. Now we're just gonna slip stitch into that first single crochet, and we're done. Go ahead and grab your scissors and cut off that yarn. See, I have enough yarn to make another 1 or 2 more cup cozies just like this. All right, and tie off. All right, so this is how it looks. Okay, now go ahead and take your yarn needle or tapestry needle and start weaving in the ends, and then we'll get started on the tail, which is very easy and simple to do. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and take this tulle. I bought this on Amazon. I will have this exact product linked below. It came in a package of 4, and this is the smallest one. So grab your yarn and let's start making the pom-pom. Okay. Okay, it's gonna be a very tiny pom-pom, and I love this tool for it. Okay, so cut off the excess yarn. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut a 12-inch yarn, and now all you have to do is start cutting the yarn like this. So and that's it. So now take that yarn that you cut and slot it through here. Okay, bring it up towards the other side. Okay, and make a knot. Pull it really tight. I'm going to make a double knot. Okay, and basically we are done. Now just go ahead and lift each side up. Okay, turn around and lift this side up. Okay, and pull apart. Okay, and here is your cute pom-pom. Just gotta clean it up a little bit. That's good enough. Okay, so now we're gonna take our little cozy here and flip it around, and let's attach it to the bottom. So what I like to do is I take one end of the tail that we have here and slip that through. Okay, and I like to go ahead and eyeball it and just place it through one side. Okay, just like so. Alright, now take the other tail of that pom-pom okay, slip that through. We're gonna go ahead and that in as well. Okay. Alright, see where the tail is at now? Isn't that cute? So what we're going to do now is I'm going to make several knots. So go ahead and make a knot. Tie that in. I'm going to double knot it. Okay, and if you want to be extra sure that it stays on, you can go ahead and use your tapestry needle and weave it to the through the ball, the pom-pom, like that. Okay, weave it back. That will make it extra secure and it'll stay on for sure. It's not going anywhere. And then make a knot again with the other piece of string. And you're done. Okay, cut off the excess. And here is your cute cozy. So again, it will fit one of these standard Starbucks plastic recyclable plastic cups, and just put it on like that. Isn't that cute? And you are done. This is how it looks. It's a cute Easter project that you can do with your kids, your friends. I think it's just super adorable. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video tutorial and find it helpful, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day.